baby. Hello, welcome back to Stir Fry Tuesday. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay, tonight we are doing 5 spice pork noodles. Now, first thing we're going to need for them is Wokka thin egg wok ready noodles, a 440 gram pack, and we're actually doing the recipe off the front of this tonight. I tried it earlier and it is bloody beautiful. So this is what they look like. You get 2 packs of these. You want to cut the tops off and you want to sit them there and have them ready to go. Alright, now we're going to do just a little bit of pretending, okay? So we've got 500 grams of pork mince. We've got 1 red onion that we're going to slice really thin. We've got 1 bunch of asparagus that we want to cut up into pieces that big. We've got, this is supposed to be either Chinese broccoli or broccolini, but I've got some frozen mangy broccoli in the freezer, so I'm thawing it out. I've roughly worked out what would be a bunch of the broccolini, so I'll just cut the stems right off as high up as I can and I'll just chop them small. Now we need Chinese 5 spice. Now we need some of this, which is sweet soy sauce, and they call it kecap mayonnaise. You can find it in the IGA, that's where I found it, in the Asian aisle. And we need a little bit of chicken stock. And baby, we are ready to rock and roll. We just get that wok out and we just heat that little baby up. Oh yeah. Okay, I've heated me wok up just on a little bit under half. I'm just going to put a dash of olive oil in, but you can put any oil you want in. Now we want to break our pork mince up and throw it in there. Now we don't want to cook it, we just want to brown it. Okay, now we've browned it a little. The recipe says that 2 teaspoons of Chinese 5 spice. Well, I found it a little bit strong, so I'm going to put 1 teaspoon in. But it's up to you guys. If you really like it, put the 2 teaspoons in. Throw our onion in. And now we're just going to cook it for a couple of minutes until the onions see-through. A couple of minutes later, we want to put 1/4 of a cup of chicken stock in. 1/4 of a cup of our sweet soy sauce. Give it a good mix in. Now we want to add our veggies. We want to add our broccoli and our, get the asparagus. And now we want to cook it for 3 to 5 minutes, constantly tossing it a little bit until the asparagus is cooked and the juices are thickened up a bit. Right, that took about 4 minutes. Now we want to break our noodles up into there. And we just want to toss them through for about a minute until we heat the noodles up. A minute later and we're done, baby. Serve it up. And just like that, my friends, we've got another kick-ass little stir fry. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. I'll see you soon. Bye.